Good morning, students. So, today we are going to cover the remaining portion, the second part of the chapter, Expert Detective. Expert Detectives, written by Sharda Dwivedi. Now, I wrote in large block letters. Who is I here? Maya Pandit. Catching a crook. Expert Detectives, Nishad and Maya Pandit. By appointment to the whole world. Then I began writing. After about half an hour later, I turned towards Seven, who was lying on his tummy. Tummy means stomach, chin cupped in his palms. You can see here in the picture how his chin is cupped with his palms, reading comics. He was enjoying his comics. Want to hear what I have written? I asked. He looked up questioningly. Means he was not sure. He was unsure. I've listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath, which might help us to trap him, I said. Want to hear? Seven nodded. Nodded means हाँ ऐसे सिर हिलाया. And he wrote, and she read fact number 1. I read, his name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. Yeah. We don't know his name yet. Mr. Nath. Like if someone's name is Rajesh Sharma, so Mr. Sharma, we don't know the first name, Rajesh. So we don't know the first name. Do you think that's his real name, Maya? Nishad asked. Mr. Nath जो है वो क्या सही में है उसका real name? Probably not, I said. Most crooks have an alias. Alias means alternative name, झूठा नाम. ज्यादातर बदमाश लोग अपना झूठा नाम ही रखते हैं. आई एडेड अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क आफ्टर नाथ. सो मिस्टर नाथ के बाद अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क वाज एडेड टू इट. बड़ा सा क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा. एंड फैक्ट नंबर 2. देन शी कंटिन्यूड. आई रेड ऑन द टेनेंट्स. टेनेंट्स मीन्स जो वहां के किराएदार थे. द टेनेंट्स एट शंकर हाउस सेज ही इज मैड, स्ट्रेंज एंड अनफ्रेंडली. दे से दैट ही इज मैड as well as he's strange and he's unfriendly. Number 3, he doesn't talk to anyone and is mannerless. Then Nishad interrupted, but he did talk to us, Maya, and Mama says he's very polite. How can you say that he's mannerless? Mr. Nath is mannerless. He did talk to us. वो तो हमसे बात किए थे. And Mama also says that he is very polite. She says he only talked to us because he had to. He had no choice, I said, and since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. उसको polite होना पड़ता है, वरना नहीं होता वो. Fact number 4, he doesn't receive any letters. If he is living alone, he should have received any letters from anyone, from his relative, friends, anyone. But he doesn't receive any letters. 7 nodded, okay. Number 5. He's been living in room number 10 of Shankar House for more than a year, I continued. 1 साल से रह रहा है. 1 साल से ज़्यादा, more than a year. Number 6, he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. How does he pay? If he doesn't work, where does the money come from? Number 7, the kids in the Shankar House, even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. The kids in Shankar House, even some of the grown-ups are also scared with him. बच्चे तो छोड़ दो, कोई बड़े भी डरते हैं उससे. Number 8, he has no visitors except for a spectacled, fair, fat man who visits him Sundays for lunch. Number 9, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. He doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well if he doesn't have that money. If he doesn't have money, how does he pay the bill? And not only pays the bill but also tips. उसको टिप भी देता है. That's end my list. Have I forgotten anything, 7? But Nishad was not much interested. है ना? Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. All he could say was, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends. उसका कोई दोस्त नहीं. How lonely he must be feeling. Maya says, how can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. At least he has one friend, that one who meets him on Sundays, said Nishad. निषाद से चलो कम से कम एक तो फ्रेंड है जो संडे को आता है उससे मिलने. दैट टॉल स्पेक्टिकल मैन, दैट स्टाउट फिगर मैन. A brilliant thought occurred to me just then. Maya says, that man must be Mr. Nath, accomplice in crime. Means a partner in crime, helper in crime. Maybe he keeps all the loot and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner, Mr. Nath, for expenses. That's it. I'm sure I'm right. Maya says, I'm right. He is the partner. That tall spectacled man is the partner. No, Nishad interrupted in between. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya, said Nishad angrily. Now he's also a bit angry. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such a generous tip. अगर वो इतना अच्छा टिप देता है, if he's being so generous, he can't be a bad man. Ramesh probably knows something about his past. So Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet, I said. So as soon as Nishad 7 says something, Maya had something in against of Mr. Nath. If he says he's being generous of paying tip, now she says he is bribing, वो उसको रिश्वत देता है to keep quiet. Means Ramesh knows something about Mr. Nath. Nishad glared at me. गुस्से से देखा and his arms tightly across his chest. I was beginning to get fed up with him. Now Maya is being a bit angry with with Nishad, his own brother. How can we make progress with our investigation if you take that attitude, 7? I asked. I'll cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escaped crook. तुम नहीं बोलोगे उसको crook. He's not a criminal. So far we haven't proved that he's a criminal, he's a crook. So you shouldn't call him. You really make me angry. I almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid oaf. I shouted. I make you angry. हम गुस्सा दिला रहे तुम्हें. Or you are making me angry. You make me mad. What is the point of all these inquiries if it's not a crook? If you think he's nobody, what is the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. If you think he's not a crook, then why we are doing inquiry on him? क्यों इतना दिन से हम उसके पीछे? We are collecting the facts about Mr. Nath. Please tell me. Nishad looked thoughtful. He was unsure what to do, what to say, what not to say. Nishad looked thoughtful. He was in a situation of dilemma. What to do, what not to do. क्या करे? I'd like to find out why he's so thin and why he's so lonely. So he is concerned about कि उतना पतला है क्यों वो. He is very much concerned. And why is he lonely? I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. Try to understand, 7, I told him. If he's lived in Sankar house for a year and hasn't made a single friend, there's something wrong. एक साल से ज़्यादा वहाँ रह चुका and still he doesn't have any friend. There is something wrong. He obviously scared that someone will recognize him. He is obviously scared. वो पक्का डरता है कि कोई ना कोई उसको पहचान लेगा and give him up to the cops. But Nishad is going to support Mr. Nath. He says maybe no one's tried to make friends with him. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि वो कोई उससे दोस्ती करना ही ना चाहो. Nishad protested. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. कितना खतरनाक दिखता है, क्यों उससे कोई दोस्ती करेगा? I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. With a firm decision. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. Now I am going to try and be his friend. हम उससे दोस्ती करेंगे. I will make friend. So I am going to try and be his friend. Friends with a crook? Ha! You are crazy, 7. I said the cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that to happen, you idiot? Nishad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. My theory seemed to have made no impression on him at all. And this story completes. This is an extract from The Broken Flute. The Broken Flute. Broken flute. So this expert detectives is a part of it. Now, what do you think? Is Mr. Nath innocent or he's really a crook? Are you going with Maya or are you going with Nishad? Okay, think of it and we'll cover this chapter in a live class. Okay, thank you, students.